Difficult parts about the link building process is seeing what the current existing backlink profile looks like, what the health of that profile is, so you can make decisions on what anchor text to build next, what type of link to build next. It was a very manual process. Sure, you had tools, but you had to do a lot of the analysis on your own. That's one of the reasons why we built the Linkio software, so that it could take data and analyze it for you, so you don't have to sit there and waste countless hours figuring out if it's healthy or not, if it's spammy, what you need to fix. It does the analysis for you. It recommends some pathways of action for you, and then you're off to go build the link. So I want to show you the new and improved anchor text planner. We've automated a ton of the existing processes. So you just end up with the information you need in just a few seconds. Let me show you how it works. Now, if you're creating an account for the first time, you're going to see this sample here. If you do have an Ahrefs account, I want you to go to the API screen under Customize, click on Connect to Ahrefs, make sure you're connected to Ahrefs, allow the access, and Linkio is going to connect with your API. And now, whatever data you add, whatever brands you add, what pages you add, the Ahrefs API will get queried on a daily basis, or whenever you like, every 3 days, every 7 days. And it can keep your backlink percentages updated on the fly. Let me give you an example of how this works. Let's add a brand new site. I'm going to add the brand linkio.com. So you add the main brand name, you add the website, you need the full HTTPS, all that stuff. Hit enter, and then we're going to create the anchor text planner. What I want to start with is the home page. I'm going to target it as a home page. Some of the keywords I use are SEO tool, SEO software, SEO management software. Now, these keywords are important, and you'll find out in a second why, because it's based on an algorithm that actually analyzes. So for now, I'm going to leave it as 0 target links. I want to import the backlinks from Ahrefs, and I want the system to automatically categorize the anchor text of those backlinks so that I know what my existing backlink profile is. Let's let the system do its work. It'll take a couple seconds since we've got a couple hundred links going to the home page. There you have it. It's done. Now, what the tool did is that it queried Ahrefs. It installed one link per root domain, looked at the anchor text, and then it categorized the anchor text. Now, it always makes sense to refine the categorization. In my case, that means I want to add the title tag here of this page, which is Linkio SEO software, SEO management tool. Okay. Are there other ways that people spell my brand name? In my case, no. Are there other keywords that I want to add to the system? In my case, no. We can just recategorize and make sure everything looks okay. Now, what you're going to get out of this is a rundown of the anchor text. You can make sure it's okay. But if you see here on the right-hand side, you actually see what your live percentages are, and you can compare it to some ideal percentages that we calculated based on some top ranking sites out there. So now if you're building more anchor text, if you want to target increasing the authority of this homepage, and the next question is, what anchor text do I need to build next? That's no longer a question you need to worry about, because you can ask the system to suggest 20 new anchor types, and based on how far you are from the ideal, it'll suggest some things to do. So here's what the tool thinks you should be building next. In the pipeline is actually a crawler that validates each and every single one of these backlinks to make sure that they actually still exist, make sure that it's follow or no follow, make sure that it's set to index and not no index, and then we'll actually check the Google search results and make sure that these backlinks are actually indexed. So if it is follow, if it is indexed, we count them towards a percentage, and if it's not, then we don't count them, because those don't matter. So not only are you getting everything automated, but you're only seeing the links that matter. Okay, and that gives you the most accurate way to build your anchor text. Now, some of the ways that we've been using this is we use it to manage our campaigns. We use it to look at our competitors to see what their current backlink profiles are. We look to see if someone's over optimized. If they are, what do they need to become normalized? So there's lots of different use cases for this tool. So try it out yourself and let me know what you think.